What has been the positive and negative about recreational use in
So,
your county?
so I think on the positive side, we've had actually good experience with retailers and safety and security around retail marijuana and medical marijuana. They're very conscientious. We have not had crime around retail outlets. We haven't had a lot of issues. In fact, we've had less crime around those outlets. The downside has been we've had a lot of black market crime. So Colorado is an island in the middle of the country. A lot of people are raising a lot of marijuana here under the banner of legal marijuana. They're exporting it to neighboring states, and it's resulted in a black market that has been directly related to several homicides here. We had a triple homicide a couple years ago of a couple and their brother-in-law that were raising marijuana. They were killed by their couriers or their courier for the money and the marijuana. We had another courier killed and dumped along the interstate up in Wyoming on a run. So the downside has been the black market piece. People in the metro area are renting hundreds of homes and growing marijuana in those homes, and in many cases ruining those homes with mold and electrical issues, that kind of thing. The upside for the state is people can legally buy. There's not a lot of stigma anymore around use, and the state of Colorado is making a lot of money in taxes.
What can legislators do to head off some of those problems that you're experiencing? Like in Illinois, what can they do?
Be really clear, first of all, about the rules around homegrown and how many plants and what the limitations on that are. Because it was murky here in Colorado, we had people raising hundreds of plants using their friends and relatives' medical marijuana cards in homes, that kind of thing. We also had confusion around what's legal and what's not ourselves. It just took a while to straighten that out. So the legislation should be clear up front. Find a way to track data around DUI and marijuana involved DUIs, because it's still not clear to us. In my opinion, it's still not clear to us what the whole impact of that has been in Colorado.
And what can be done about the black market end of it?
So I think the black market eventually takes care of itself as marijuana is legalized across the country. We're no longer in the position to be an export state. Everybody can do their own thing. It eliminates the need for a black market. Eliminates the motivation for a black market, which of course is profit. When the table's even and everybody's got the same opportunity, the black market, I think, will go away.